Hello and welcome to Endeavor, a monthly video update from Garden Spot Village where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose and community. I'm Kelly Swigert, Sales Director. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. November is an exciting time at Garden Spot Village as we prepare for the upcoming holiday season. Join us on Wednesday, November 15th at 2 p.m. in the chapel for the Fall Fashion and Holiday Gift Preview Show. Fall and winter fashions, jewelry, and accessories from Linden, like the sweater I'm wearing today, will be featured. Also find holiday gifts from Share and Care and the Artisans Corner. Join us to find new ways to refresh your wardrobe and find great gifts for friends and family. We kick off the holiday season with a train room open house on Saturday, November 25th. Our holiday tradition includes a train room open house every Saturday from Thanksgiving to New Year's. Stop in on a Saturday from 1:30 to 4 p.m. this holiday season to experience the joy of Christmas in the train room. The wood shop joins the festivities, offering quality handcrafted wood items. Discover stocking stuffers, games, and puzzles for the whole family. On Saturday, December 2nd, we will host a village Christmas market. We invite you to join us as we celebrate the holiday season. Enjoy shopping, entertainment, eating, visits to the train room, and Polar Express book readings with Mrs. Santa. As our guests, you will enjoy a day filled with food, gift vendors, store shopping, entertainment, and fun activities for families and children. These are just a few of the events you can join us for this month. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose and community. I'm Kelly Swigert, and I look forward to seeing you soon.